Hello friends, today we will be making coconut rice. So I have some leftover rice from yesterday. Coconut rice is very easy. You can make it with leftover rice and fresh grated coconut. We have frozen coconut available here. So I always use this brand. Just thaw the fresh coconut, grated coconut, and keep it ready. So let's begin with a pan. I'm pouring some oil. Not a lot, just a little bit. To that I'm adding some to the oil I'll be adding some cumin seeds and some mustard seeds, and we'll be adding a lot of chana dal. Chana dal is the lentils that's available in your local Indian store. So reduce the flame. Vinod likes a lot, so I'm adding quite a bit. Let's fry until it's golden. I'm adding some curry leaves. Let's toast it. And we have some chopped ginger and green chilies. To this I'm adding half a teaspoon of hing. It's nothing but asafoetida. And one dried red chili. Let me add some fresh grated coconut. So the key is to keep stirring it. Don't set it and walk away. So now the coconut is toasted really well. Keep in mind we did not add salt yet. We have to add it at a little point. So I said I have leftover rice from last night. Mix it really well, and let me add some salt. For this quantity you may need half a teaspoon of salt. I'm adding very little at a time and I will mix it with the rice. You can always adjust the level of salt. To enhance the flavor, I will be adding some cashew nuts, and I will also add a teaspoon of coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can add ghee. Let's add some cashew nuts. We have salted cashew nuts available here, so I'm just adding that. You can add the unsalted roasted kind too. Because it is winter here, the coconut oil is very hard. It's cold actually, but since the rice is hot, don't worry, it will melt. So this is the finishing touch that you need. Delicious, easy coconut rice is ready. It's fragrant, it's so fresh, and it literally took me 5 minutes to put this together. That's it. Try this recipe and let me know if you like it. Send me photos if you tried it at home. Please like and subscribe to my channel and leave any comments down below. If you want me to make any other specific recipe, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and supporting me as always. Happy cooking. Bye.